Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have an Aliexpress haul. Let's see what I did get. I've been buying a lot of American Girl doll stuff, but with a reason. Like these, I'm hoping to make into ice skates. Darren's going to 3D print a blade for that. They look like baby shoes, but they're perfect for ice skates. I'm going to be very careful because I don't know what's in here. I've been sewing a lot for the American Girl dolls. I'm really enjoying recreating their historic costumes, outfits, however you want to say it. And I think this is black boots, of which I need for Kirsten and Addie. Addie should get here today. Oh, no. No, this is, I don't know. Oh, this is from my Wednesday Addams American Girl. I don't know that I'll ever put her in it, but I got it while I could. They have these on Aliexpress. Oh, it's a little dance outfit. And I thought, you know what? I should get one of those so that I have, oh, it goes this way. How cute is that? That's just cute. Just a couple bucks, and I thought, I'll kick myself later if I don't get one. So I did. And then Kirsten's going to need red boots for an outfit I'm working on for her. A little sledding outfit. So I got those. I always check and double check those bags because sometimes, I'm going to try to be so careful here. I have, a long time ago, because I've been careful ever since, I have sliced some things inside of packages. Oh, look, Darren. I thought these were black and white, but they're gray and white. Little Lego goats.
Gray
okay,
and black.
What did I say?
Gray and white.
I meant they should have been white with black spots, but how cute are they? These are not actual Legos, but I collect all things goats and goats themselves. And our herd is growing. Oh, I got a back scratcher. Goodness sakes, I need that. And a couple more pair of black boots because one is for a gift. Okay, and let's see what else. I got a lot of those boots because they were inexpensive. Aliexpress is a good place. Oh, look what I got. All right, that is for Kirsten's black skirt. Oh, love that. Good, I can finish that, get the shirt ready, and then I'm ready to show that to you, hopefully in a week or two. Oh, I don't remember ordering gold. I'm going to have to check this. I bet I was supposed to get black. That's not, I would not, that's not what I'm looking for. Not right now. I might have for St. Patrick's Day, so you know those moods I get in. Oh, I should get one of these too. Okay, what else? Oh, yeah, more boots. As you can see, I was in a boots. I need a pair of red for a gift. I need a pair of black for a gift. And, oh, this is for an upcoming video. Look how cute this is. Little upcoming collab with Ayla Avar. That'll be coming up. Boy, that's for April, and it's coming fast. I love these. So cute. These are real perfect for Blythe because of their big heads, or your 18-inch dolls, or your 16, 14, 16, let's just say Blythe, and then 14 to 18-inch dolls. Actually, that's not big enough for the 24-inch Maya Rain, is it?
No,
I don't think it is. But they sure are cute, and I love they open, and they're just a couple bucks, so I bought, oh, here. Well, shouldn't there be two of those? Well, that's weird. I got two of the others, and the ones I really wanted, these look like my goats. I have Seinen goats. They're a dairy breed from Sweden. No, Switzerland. And, well, this was going to go in the barn, but since I only got one, I don't know. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about my little haul. A lot of boots. You can tell I'm getting ready to make some outfits. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Well, I don't care too much for that back scratcher.
Really? I like it.
I've been replaced by a dollar tool.
Oh, yeah, because I'm always asking, can you scratch my pen?